Hi guys! Itour namin kayo sa aming room. Actually, maaga yung check-in namin. Supposed to be dapat 2 p.m. So, since may open na, I think 9:20. So, yun, pinayagan na kami mag-check-in ng early. So, quick tour ng aming room. Wow! Sa room. So, meron tayong dalawang bed. So, tag-isa kami ng bed. And then, they have the TV. And then, they have the ref. So, yan, mamaya, bili-bili tayo sa labas. And then, meron naman siyang complimentary coffee, yan. Tapos, meron hair dryer, water, pakuluan ng tubig, malakas naman yung aircon. And then, wow, may pabiranda. So, wow. Can you open this one? This one. Wow. See? May pabiranda tayo. Yan. Sayang no, kung doon sana tayo, yung room natin, makikita natin yung sa dagat. So, ayun. Yun lang guys. So, meron naman tayong this is the CR. Yan. Oh, nice. So, may mga free naman sila. Tissue, shower. And then, ayan, may bathroom. Yan. Woo!